is there ways that we can look at to see if we can improve how we grow the crop more effectively, more efficiently? So we're in the process of looking at some of this type of chemistry. This product's called Plant Power Products. It's something that is brand new. It was really introduced just a year ago. And we looked at a little bit of it last year. There's been some preliminary research done with it. It looks quite promising. If you go to this kind of a page here, this shows how these plots have been laid out. What I'd like to do is go through a little bit what we're doing out here in the field, and then we're going to just take a drive to 2 different plots. We've got 4 replicated corn plots, and we have 1 soybeans. What we've done is we've went in the field to give you a little more of an idea, and we've walked into 20-30 feet right in the different sections so that we were right out in the field, and we pulled 4 consecutive ears. We tried to find equal corn spacing, you know. Dug these this morning, and we tried to just, give you a demonstration. We did also wash all the roots here because we think that there's some significance there a little bit in the roots, the best we could get them dug and washed and so forth. We put the reserve power on early. We seem to get a strengthening in the plant. This here was very noticeable where we did the in-furrow and where we had a control in that early stage. I even noticed it, and I got some pictures when it first came out of the ground before even a trifolia, that where we had the in-furrow was a much more aggressive plant. And this then is, I went back and I redug those plants just to show today. This is, our same thing. We just feel we're seeing a more consistent plant, a little more structure.
More lateral rooting?
Yeah, the root system definitely is different. But that's taken basically at the very same area that I took that early picture. That's in the pamphlet there. So we thought we seen a hit, if you would, that's what I call it. We got a response from that in-furrow.
But go down and spray that plant, because I can tell you that the reaction will happen in 4 days. So he can go spray that plant, pull the pods up and look at them. And if we did the right hit, to push energy to that pod, meaning that there's energy in the nodes, he can go to the grower and come and look at this with me. And then the grower can make a decision, well, I'll do an acre, or I'll do 20 acres. And then you can move on from there. But you have to study the crop.